Bonjour tout le monde, on se retrouve sur Spider-Man Remastered. Donc le premier jeu d'Insomnia Games sur Spider-Man qui est sorti sur PS4 en 2018 et Remastered en 2021 je crois. Sur PC et PS5. Je sais plus si c'est 2021, je crois. Hein. Enfin bref, quoi qu'il en soit, on va faire un concept assez spécial. Je vais vous faire un let's play entier en comptant les DLC. Où je vais jouer Spider Noir. Et je vous mettrai un filtre noir et blanc. Comme ça vous aurez le point de vue du personnage Spider-Man noir, comme si c'était dans son univers quoi. Voilà. Moi je l'aurai pas le filtre, mais vous l'aurez. Voilà, concept un petit peu fou. Et c'est parti. Hein. Let's go.
All units, level 4 mobilization. Location, Fisk Tower.
Fisk?
SWAT is 1084 at Fisk Tower. All units stand by. Warrant is en route.
Let's fucking go. Comme la première fois. Oh là là. Ça fout toujours les mêmes frissons. Et oui d'ailleurs je mets le jeu en VO. Comme ça, vu que c'est la première fois que je vais le faire en VO, c'est trop bien.
Captain Watanabe.
Did you take him down yet?
No, we're at Fisk Tower, but still waiting on the warrant.
Mind if I join in on the fun?
You know how his lawyers are. This one needs to go by the book.
Come on, Yuri. I've been waiting 8 years for this.
You really want to help? Head to Times Square. Sounds like his guys are trying to keep my backup from reaching the scene.
You got it. Almost there. Hello?
Parker, where are you? We must run through the demonstration at least once before the grant committee arrives.
Yes. Sorry. Yes. Dealing with a personal issue. I'll be in soon. Promise. Better wrap this up quick than get to my real job.
Ok. Donc voilà, incroyable, hein, franchement. En plus, je vous fais des petits plans cinématiques de balancement. Enfin, j'espère que je réussis bien. Oula, bah non, là j'ai raté. Yuri a appelé la cavalerie. Et c'est Spider-Man.
Backup! 1032, Times Square. Officers under fire.
Bring in the hammer.
Get it!
Morning, guys. Who's ready for their hot fresh
Merde, il
cup
y a eu
of
un petit
bodily
bug dans la cinématique parce que j'ai appuyé sur le menu de la play, mais ça va, on gère.
Gotta warn ya, I'm feeling punchy today. Next cup.
Moi j'ai tapé dans le vide là. Oh là là.
This doesn't look good.
Somebody just shoot him!
Oh, j'avais oublié qu'il y avait ça. Oh la dinguerie.
Guys on his payroll.
Spider-Man, what's your status?
Almost done here. You?
We're about to go in.
Be there soon. Can't wait to see Willie's face when you slap the cuffs on him.
Let's go.
Okay, Yuri, all done. What's happening? Yuri? Yuri!
On va sauver Yuri.
I knew Fisk wouldn't go quietly.
Get more backup. And lock down the airspace.
Yuri, you okay?
If he makes it out of that building, we're gonna lose him.
I'm gonna go,
Do your thing.
Ease the day, Willie. Heads up. Hey, where are you going? Hey! I'll clear a path. Follow me.
Ah, incroyable. Oh, il m'a raté le con. Hein. J'étais devant lui. Hein. Vas-y, je connais.
Sorry to break it to you, but you do not got this, buddy.
Il devrait pas mettre ça dans le minigame plus.
Oh, thanks for the confidence boost, guys.
Rush him!
I guess this is what they call a hostile workplace.
Merde.
You got insurance. Stand down! Gonna teach you respect! You don't mess with the Kingpin and live.
Oh là là. J'essaie de faire des beaux plans là, c'est stylé hein.
Gotta take those shooters out.
Bam bam bam, piou. Miaou, piou. Elle revient par là. On revient, oh là là, oh il est mort.
You're dead.
I think that's all of them.
Et ça c'est beau.
Come on, come on! They shut the elevators down! Take the stairs!
I prefer a more direct approach.
Spider-Man, status.
Heading to the upper floors, and hoping nobody turns on the elevators.
Our choppers are taking fire. Looks like Fisk has armed men on every floor.
He's desperate.
And he's hitting us with everything he's got.
I have to find him and end this.
Not yet. We just picked up chatter. They're wiping all their data servers. We need that evidence if we want to put him away for good.
Okay, server room it is.
Hostile, next
Call
floor
from
up.
May. Better answer. Hi, Aunt May.
What is all that?
Ah, casse-toi là.
Watching a
Il m'a eu.
superhero movie. What's up?
I just wanted to make sure we're still on for dinner tomorrow night.
Bon bah les deux ils sont morts. Hein.
Listen, I gotta go.
Well, okay. Love you.
Love you too.
Keep them on the ground or we don't stand a chance. Come. Box them in!
Ah oui, le coup de grâce.
Hold him so he can't jump around.
Bah, c'est ce que j'ai fait, ouais, depuis tout à l'heure. Oh, ça c'est stylé, hein. Celui-là je l'aime trop. Pow.
Bust it high. I'll teach you some respect. Lucky shot. You don't mess with the kingpin. Bring him down already. Crack it.
On to the next one.
Oh, lui il est beau. Bra.
Regret your life choices yet?
Je bouge comme une araignée. Haha. Allez, salut.
Gotta find that server room before there's no evidence left. If I go in this way, they'll destroy all the evidence. I should look for a sneaky way in. There we go.
Hop.
It's like my own private ventrance. Fisk may be a dirty criminal, but he has remarkably clean air vents.
Hurry up. The boss wants everything erased. Can't make it delete any faster.
They're so cute when they're oblivious.
Ah, come on. Halfway there. Need another minute or two. Think the cops know where we are? Don't worry about out there. Worry about in here.
Voilà, dealer. Par contre, pourquoi je peux pas descendre? Je me suis trompé de chemin. Ah bah oui, effectivement, je me suis trompé de chemin. Pourquoi ils ont mis un chemin si loin quand même? Ça je comprends pas. Hop, go!
Is this tech support? I forgot my password.
J'aime beaucoup la VO. Enfin, c'est Yuri Lowenthal qui fait Spider-Man. J'aime beaucoup.
Still purging.
I thought the IT guys at my last job were rude.
I can't reach him.
Gotta access that console before everything's gone. Let's see just how good their security is. Oh, you guys forgot the latest kernel patch.
Hiding so. Cowardly. Even for you.
Says the guy frantically erasing his search history.
After all these years, you're still just an ignorant child.
True, but that's part of my charm, isn't it?
Damn you. Get that door down now!
Hop, projection. Bravo.
Look around you. I did this.
Oh purée, j'ai fait la parade comme dans Spider-Man 2 là.
Well,
C'est pour ça que je me suis pris le
I
coup.
took down a pompous, overstuffed crime lord before breakfast.
Without me, the scum I kept in check will run rampant, and it'll be your fault.
It's been a long, tough road, Fisk. Almost sad to see it end.
Mere prey.
We'll get ready for the main event. Yuri, an
Oh
explosion
purée.
just...
I saw it. Fisk could have the whole place wired. I'm
Mais
sitting in a bomb
frérot.
unit.
I'll make sure no one gets in their way.
Alors, j'ai raté, hein, mais c'était très stylé comment il est remonté en fait. Allez, salut.
I think that's all of them.
It's clear. Move up.
Hey guys, I guess bombs are part of Willie's getaway plan? Sounds like they're trapped.
You go after them. We'll look for the bombs.
Everyone clear
Là.
out! Evacuate the building!
Là, je suis trop content parce qu'on va voir l'une des plus belles scènes du jeu. Et même de tous les Spider-Man en général. Hein. Tout le temps, il y a cette scène, c'est trop le feu. Oh là là. Oh, cette scène-là, ah, je vous laisse profiter. Hein.
When you're free, get out fast. If you can walk, help the injured. Got it?
Cette scène, elle est folle. Je l'adore. Ah, il monte pas sur les murs. Un Spider-Man qui monte pas sur les murs, mais qui monte dans les bouches d'aération.
And no one to chase him if he flies away.
Why do I get the feeling that's what he was planning all along?
Because he probably was.
Because he probably was. J'adore.
Yuri, get EMTs up here, fast!
We're trying.
Incoming!
Un Bazuzu. Oh putain.
Him down already.
That's enough out of you.
Deux Bazuzu.
More rockets? A little excessive, don't you think? What? Is it National Rocket Day or something? Gotcha!
Hop.
Man, how'd the bomb squad guys get through this?
He's in. Get him.
Settle down. I've got enough for everybody.
Ah mais c'est vrai que j'utilise aucun gadget depuis tout à l'heure. Hein.
You don't mess with the Kingpin and live.
Le gameplay il doit être ennuyeux.
We'll take you alive or dead. This doesn't care.
Okay, room is clear. Bomb squad must be somewhere ahead. Hope they're okay.
Oh, cette scène aussi elle est folle.
You guys all right?
We were just about to call for backup.
I think I'm it.
Lead the way. We'll be right behind you. Heads up, boss.
On va les tabasser ces traîtres. Ouais, je connais, ouais.
So you guys were in bed with Fisk all along? Oh no, I'll never get that image out of my head. So your plan didn't work. On to plan B, getting kicked in the face.
J'ai envie d'utiliser ça.
Just shoot him already.
Tourne. Vas-y, tourne. Ah. Pied-bouche.
Hey Yuri, looks like some of your guys were on Fisk's payroll. Good news is, they were Willie's last line of defense. I'm right outside his office.
Take him down, now.
With pleasure.
On va arrêter Willy Willy.
Writing your memoirs? Don't forget the hyphen between Spider and Man.
Get the chopper ready. I won't be long. I'm surprised you made it this far. But your foolishness ends now.
You do know I can still see you, right?
8 years of this insolence.
Oh, for me? You shouldn't have.
Tout pour toi, mon pote.
Reloading.
Et bam.
How is this happening?
What's wrong, Willie? You seem angry.
I will destroy you!
Take your best shot.
Nul. Bras dans ta face. Oh, il s'est pris un pain, mais le bruit, il a dû faire mal. Hein.
Be an opening.
Oh, il y a un bug. Oh, il y a... Ouh là là, le bug. Hein. Oh, le bug, il fait mal au cul. Hein. Il a cassé votre immersion, là. Hein. En fait, il y a eu ce bug parce que je suis pas censé faire ça à cet endroit-là où la caméra est restreinte.
You are everything that's wrong with this city!
Huh. I was gonna say the same to you.
You know what to do, men! Surround it!
Ramène-toi.
You don't mess with the Kingpin and live.
Oh, il y a des hélicos là-bas qui...
I'm in the ass kicking move.
You fool! Trained to fight something too fast! I don't want excuses!
Ah, là ça bug pas, là c'est stylé. Bra dans ta face. Sa gueule de con là.
What do I pay you for? No! I can handle myself! Imbecile!
On va utiliser le petit speederbot, on voit jamais les speederbots.
Where are the reinforcements?
Ok, let's go. Dans ta face. Hop. Mange, mange, mange.
So, should we kiss now? Yeah, maybe later. Finally off to Rikers, huh? You know, I think you've got more enemies in there than I do.
If you think this will be more than a minor inconvenience...
Whoop, gotta go. Hey, good luck, Willie. I have a feeling you're gonna need it.
Idiot! I'm the one who kept order in this city! 1 month! In 1 month you'll wish you had me back!
The Kingpin is heading to prison. End of an era. I feel like I should celebrate. Maybe take a vacation.
Parker, where are you? The committee will be here soon. We need to run an equipment check.
I'm almost there. Blocks away.
Guess I'll just do it myself.
No, don't. It's not safe. Ugh. Gotta love Doc's enthusiasm, but sometimes it gets him into trouble. Better get there before he hurts himself.
Et ben on va y aller tranquillement. Alors pour l'instant la VO je kiffe énormément, franchement y a rien à dire. Mais je vois quand même je compare avec des répliques de Donald Renew parce que bon, j'ai fait 300 heures de jeu dessus. J'ai fait que en VF, j'ai jamais touché le jeu en VO. Et donc ça me met des comparaisons en tête. Ils ont chacun leur façon d'interpréter Spider-Man et je trouve ça très cool. J'ai totalement raté le truc là. Hop. Et bah vous savez quoi? On va s'arrêter ici. On va faire une mission par vidéo, je pense. Et voilà. Si ça vous a plu, faites-le moi savoir. Et de toute façon, je continue la petite série assez inédite et assez conceptueuse. Allez, salut!